Okay, come for a service call, and we have a double sink, and both sides of the drain is completely off, so we're gonna fix it. You're gonna need this nice flashlight. You may need a new head, new screw. You may need new washers, but most of all, you're gonna need this to kneel down on. So let's get that fixed. Well, we got it completely back together. And we're gonna make sure every one is hand tightened. We actually tighten each one hand tight. So all you needed to do is be hand tight, and you should be all set.